In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to Wealthfront Deposit Guide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to select, and the key limits to keep in mind so your transfer goes through smoothly. First, sign into your Wealthfront account on the app or website. From your main dashboard, look for the Transfer Money option. This is the hub for moving cash between Wealthfront and your linked bank. If you're new to the platform, make sure your bank is already linked so you can choose it as a funding source or destination when prompted. Inside the transfer flow, you'll see two clear choices. Select deposit when you want to move money into Wealthfront from your bank. Select withdraw when you want to move money from Wealthfront back to your bank. It helps to double check the direction before you continue. Deposit means your bank is the source and Wealthfront is the destination. Withdraw means Wealthfront is the source and your bank is the destination. Now pay attention to minimums because they differ by account type. For Wealthfront investment accounts, each deposit must be at least $100, and each withdrawal must be at least $250. If you're moving money in or out of a Wealthfront cash account, the minimum is just $1 for both deposits and withdrawals. If you're not sure which account you're working with, look for the account name and type on the selection screen before you enter the amount. Next, enter the dollar amount and review the summary screen. You'll typically confirm the funding account, the receiving account, and the amount before you submit. This is a great moment to make sure everything looks correct, especially the account you're targeting and whether you've met the minimum for that specific account type. Transfer maximums can vary based on the transfer type. These limits can change, so the most accurate, up-to-date information is always in Wealthfront's FAQ or Help Center. If you ever hit a limit or see an error, check those resources first for the current caps and any requirements that might apply to your account. A few final tips to ensure a smooth experience. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your bank before initiating a deposit, and remember that bank transfers often take a few business days to settle. If you're moving money out of an investment account, keep in mind that selling investments may be required to free up cash before it can be withdrawn. That's it. Use transfer money, choose deposit or withdraw, follow the account-specific minimums, and check the FAQ for maximums. You're all set to add money to Wealthfront confidently.